In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube short to a Squarespace website. By the end, you'll have a vertical short embedded right on your page using Squarespace's built-in tools. No code needed. Start by opening your Squarespace site and navigating to the page and section where you want the short to appear. When you're there, click Edit to enter the page editor. You'll see the on-page controls appear. Hover over the spot where the video should go, above, below, or next to existing content, and click Add Block. This opens the block picker. From the block options, choose Video. Squarespace will place a video placeholder on the page. Click the placeholder to bring up the settings panel, then select Add a Video. Instead of uploading a file, choose Add from Link. Linking to YouTube is the best approach for a short because it keeps your site lightweight and ensures reliable playback across devices. Now paste the link to your YouTube short into the field. The easiest way to get this is to open your short on YouTube, tap Share, and copy the link. Both the standard shorts link and the full watch link work. If you've copied a URL that has extra characters at the end, you can remove any unnecessary parameters, so it's just the basic YouTube link. After pasting, click Add. Squarespace will fetch the preview, title, and thumbnail, and you should see the video load in the editor. Give it a moment to render. Because shorts are vertical, the embed will appear in portrait orientation. Depending on your template and the width of the column you placed it in, you may see letterboxing or spacing around the video. That's normal. If you want it to feel more balanced, place it in a narrower column or keep it centered so it reads naturally on desktop and mobile. You can also adjust surrounding content spacing so the short sits comfortably with your text and images. Take a quick look at the preview to ensure the play button and thumbnail appear correctly. If the preview doesn't load, double-check that the video is public on YouTube and that you've pasted a valid YouTube link. A quick refresh of the editor can also help the embed register. When everything looks right, click Save to publish your changes. Then view the live page to confirm the short plays smoothly and scales well on mobile. That's all there is to it. Open your page, add a video block, add from link, paste your YouTube short, and save. You've successfully embedded a YouTube short on your Squarespace site.